especially with kaning atong development sa atong tour circuits in the different provinces. So pero karon na magud tay focus, Secretary wants us to focus on ecotourism, gastronomy tourism, dive tourism, golf tourism. So, ato po nang i-atiman in line with her program. Alam mo, even in our initiatives, mo focus mo yun si Secretary on Mindanao. Especially last year, dako kayo itong Mindanao Tourism Expo. This year, we're going to have it in Zamboanga.
Wow!
Tuyok na siya. No? So, ang iyang gusto nga, dili lang pirmi Davao or Cagayan de Oro, ituyok na siya. So, ang ato pong mga tour, kaning ato mga tour programs like the Philippine Experience, na naman po sa karon, naghatag na po sila og pondo for our Misamis Occidental and Lanao Lake. So, ato na lang gaplanuhan kayo. Reiterate nga, please, for the people from Northern Mindanao, please visit our sites. No? Daghan na kayo mga offerings in the 5 provinces. So, ato sa tabangan ng atong industry. Suri-suri sa tagili before we go to other places. And of course, to the general public, again, there's an open invitation to visit Northern Mindanao. There's so many things we have to offer. Now we're, aside from the dive, our golf, we have our ecotourism, our mountain tourism. We're going to be climbing the five mountains of Northern Mindanao. We're going to be launching in April with the DNR. Kana siya, daghan pa gyud kaayo culinary tourism atong atimanon atong farms, cultural tourism. Nakaamulan is already.
Oh, yes, mag-start na.
Kaamulan is coming, no? Ang atong opening na karong March and sa April ang 11 and 12 atong highlights sa street dancing. Nagdalami og tanan mga regional directors will be here for the RD's meeting dito ta sa Kaamulan.
Wow!
Yes, the whole Philippines. Hopefully, the Secretary and our other officials can join us. So, kana siya, we're very excited. No? Ato pong mga festivals, lingaw kaayo. Even in Lanao del Norte, atong Lechon Festival, dito po, 23 kabuk ang lechon, lami kaayo. Ang atong mga food festivals, the Banog-Banog is also coming in May. April and May, kaning sa Manolo Fortich with the hot air balloon, no? Daghan pa kayo. So, I invite everybody to come and experience Northern Mindanao and have your limitless adventures with us.